All the rainforests in the world are located along the equator. The equator is the warmest place on Earth. So, Coco, yeah? Where do you come from? Africa. Africa, yeah. What part? The Congo. Well, then you know about the rainforest, that's right. The rainforest actually has 4 levels. The tallest trees are called the penthouse. These are the trees that grow 165 feet tall, and the only trees that see direct sunlight.
Hello. Hello.
This is Pollyanna.
Hello.
She belongs to my Aunt Tilly.
Aunt Tilly.
And Aunt Tilly had to go shopping today.
Shop till you drop.
Let's come over here and learn a little bit about some of the animals that live in the rainforest. This is the orangutan. The orangutan can only be found